Looking for a watch that radiates luxury but doesn't break the bank? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Essentials Watch for Men. Let's kick things off with the Essentials Watch for Men from Seiko, priced at $197.95. The luxurious blend of a traditional white dial with Roman numerals and a stunning gold-toned stainless steel case instantly caught my attention. If you want a watch that balances classic elegance with modern versatility, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this watch is a solid choice for you. The traditional white dial not only looks refined but is easy to read, making it perfect for both formal and casual settings. The gold-tone case adds that touch of luxury without going overboard, while the black leather strap brings comfort that's ideal for all-day wear. It's also water-resistant up to 30 meters, giving you peace of mind whether you're caught in the rain or enjoying a casual swim. With over 600 of these watches sold in just the past month, it's clear that people are recognizing its value. Now, some people complained about the leather strap being a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, it softens over time, and honestly, that initial stiffness helps ensure it stays secure on your wrist while you get used to it. If you're in the market for a timeless piece that won't empty your wallet, this is perfect for you. Skip this one if you're looking for something sporty or if you prefer a metal bracelet style. For its price, it's genuinely a steal. Alright, if the leather strap of the Essentials watch isn't your style, the next one might catch your eye with its automatic movement. Product number 2, Automatic Blue Dial Stainless Steel Watch. Next up, we have the Automatic Blue Dial Stainless Steel Men's Watch SNXS 77, priced at $209.53. This watch caught my attention with its striking blue dial and polished stainless steel case. If you want a watch that stands out while still feeling elegant, this one's worth a serious look. Why is this watch a solid investment for you? The automatic movement means it winds itself as you wear it, so you don't have to worry about batteries dying unexpectedly. The polished finish on the stainless steel not only looks premium but also resists scratches, which is a big plus if you're an active person. With over 500 of these sold recently, buyers are clearly loving its aesthetic and functionality. Plus, it has a classic round shape that will go well with virtually any outfit. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that the watch can feel a bit heavy on the wrist. Here's the thing though, that weight often translates to durability, which means it'll last longer under regular wear. This watch is perfect for you if you want a statement piece that still feels sophisticated. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or if you prefer a different color scheme. For the price, you're getting a lot of watch for your money. Now, if that weight bothered you, the next one on our list is incredibly lightweight and super stylish. Product number 3, Men's Watches 5 SNKE 034. Coming in at number 3 is the Men's Watches 5 SNKE 034, priced at $141.66. This model grabbed my attention with its clean design and automatic movement. If you're after an affordable watch that doesn't compromise on style, this is worth a serious look. What makes this watch stand out? The automatic feature means no batteries needed, and you'll appreciate the convenience of the day-date function, which helps keep you organized. With over 300 of these sold last month, it's evident that people are loving its practicality and design. However, I did come across some feedback about the visibility of the dial being less than ideal in low light. Here's the thing though, it's a fantastic everyday watch, and if you wear it mostly during the day, that's not going to be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want something functional and stylish without spending a fortune. Skip this if you need a watch that excels in low light conditions or if you prefer a larger face. For its price point, you're really getting a gem. If you want something a bit more rugged, the next watch is built for durability and features a sporty designs. Product number 4, SSK Automatic Watch for Men. Next up, we have the SSK 001 Automatic Watch for Men, priced at $475.59. This piece caught my eye with its striking black dial and luminous hands. If you're looking for a watch that combines functionality with a sporty aesthetic, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this watch is a great choice for you. The luminous hands and markers ensure you can read the time even in low light, which is super handy for evening activities. It's also water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it perfect for swimming or snorkeling. With its stainless steel case and a 24-hour bezel, it's designed for durability and practicality while keeping you stylish on the go. With 300 sold recently, it's clear this watch is striking a chord with adventurers and daily wearers alike. Some users mention that the watch can be a bit bulky for smaller wrists. But here's the thing, that sturdy build means it's designed to last, and if you're into outdoor activities, you'll want that extra robustness. This is perfect for you if you love an active lifestyle and want a watch that can keep up. Skip this if you prefer a sleeker design or have smaller wrists. For the quality and features, it offers good value for money. And if you want something a little more classic, the next watch blends timeless design with modern technology. Product number 5, Men's Classic Corso Eco Drive Watch. Lastly, we have the Men's Classic Corso Eco Drive Watch, priced at $287.86. What caught my eye here was its Eco Drive technology, which is powered by any light. If you want a watch that is not only beautiful but also eco-friendly, this is worth a serious look. Why is this watch a fantastic choice? The Eco Drive technology means you'll never have to worry about changing the battery, which can be a hassle. Plus, the luminous hands and markers make it easy to tell the time, even in low light. With a water resistance of 100 meters and a 5-year limited warranty, it's designed to last and gives you peace of mind. Over 300 of these have been sold recently, showing that buyers appreciate its combination of style and practicality. However, some users found the mineral crystal to be prone to scratching. Here's the thing, while it's not as tough as sapphire glass, the overall durability and design make it a solid buy for everyday wear. This watch is perfect for you if you appreciate classic styling with a modern twist. Skip this if you're particularly rough on your watches or if you prefer a more sporty look. For the tech and style you're getting, it's well worth the investment. So there you have it, 5 incredible Seiko watches that deliver luxury without the hefty price tag. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Essentials watch for men because it beautifully balances classic design and modern versatility for its price. The one to avoid? I'd say steer clear of the SSK 001 if you're looking for a more streamlined fit, as it may feel bulky for some. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.